Today we're going over exactly step by step how to build a squeeze page. That way you as a real estate agent can get more buyers, close more deals, and have more business. If that sounds interesting to you, keep watching. What's up everyone, it's Brandon Melvin bringing you the real estate tip of the week for all you realtors out there. Let's jump into it. In this example, we'll be using KVCORE to generate these squeeze pages. Now, if you don't have this software, I highly recommend looking into it. It is one of the most powerful pieces of technology a real estate agent can have to generate leads as well as maintain them through the CRM. Now, I do have access to this system just by being with the brokerage I'm with. If you would like more information on that, check the description below. I have a link to get into one of my personal coaching calls. You can schedule it through Calendly and we can go from there. But if you do have this system, check this out. It's going to be powerful. So from your home screen, you'll actually look on the left, scroll all the way down, go to lead engine, and you can see there are multiple lead engines that you can choose from. We're going to choose build a squeeze page. And then on this page, you have different opportunities to choose multi-property, single property, seller squeeze page, and market report. We're going to keep it at multi-property because this is going to be generated towards someone looking to build a new home or buy a new home somewhere in the area that you're looking to market to. Okay, so whatever city or location that's in, let's go ahead and type in the city of New Braunfels. Okay, and we'll click that. And then you can either draw on the map if you want to do a couple other cities or put addresses in, such as zip codes. That will help as well. Again, a lot of things you can do here. Going to keep it simple. That way we can have a wider net to cast. Listing type. You can choose different listings here. We're going to go after single family homes, and then we'll leave the style blank for right now. Price, we'll leave that open. We'll go all the way to the bottom. We'll choose options. And we're going to click on newly built because that's the type of marketing we're doing here. Now for the source, I'm going to type in Facebook because that's where this actual link is going to be marketed at. You can put it wherever you want, but this is going to let you know where you have it. As for the hashtag, you want to keep this consistent and know where your leads are coming in from. So in this case, I'm just going to hashtag this. And by the way, do not push the hashtag in there. It will not register. So I'm doing New Braunfels, new construction. So that's going to be my hashtag. And it says press enter. You just click that little button there. So now this is the hashtag. All of my leads will come in with this one, with this hashtag. And that way I know how to generate a smart campaign for it. That's another video. Hit me up if you have any questions on that. For the Facebook cover photo, we're just going to click the very first one there using listings from the search results. And so here's an opportunity to capture the lead's information. Now, if you're already doing that through whatever avenue it is that they're coming in, then you don't want to do it again because it's going to get annoying and they're not going to want to actually fill out their information and they're just going to move on. So I'm generating this link, going to Facebook, and I'm going to capture their information there. So we're actually going to bring it down to never capturing their information. So for the property views, they'll be swiping, looking at the pictures, and then all of a sudden it's going to ask for their info. In this case, it's not going to. And then that's it. So what we're going to do now is generate the link, and then you can either click this button here, copy it to clipboard, or you can highlight this and copy it how you want. I like to highlight it, right click it, and then go to HTTPS, that long address. It will test it out and give me an idea if it's working and if there's any homes that are available for the search that I have. Okay, so now that we know it works, there's a couple things you can do with this specific link. In this case, because we're not asking for their information once they do get to the website, I like to put this link on the business manager page through my Facebook page, and I'm going to capture leads there where I actually can send them out and it gets a little bit more in depth. Otherwise, if you want to just make it real easy, put this on Facebook, keep it free, get some leads that way. You do want to adjust this, bring it back to either 1 or 2, I recommend, so that way when they do get on there, they're going to have to put their information in and you can capture it and reach out that way. So we'll change that to 1. You want to regenerate this link if you've done it so far the correct way like this. That way you now have a link that's actually going to ask them for their information. You'll take that link, copy it to a clipboard, go to Facebook, get your business page pulled up, then you'll click create post, paste that in there, and it generates the link for you. You can see new construction homes in New Braunfels. Pretty sweet. Want to delete all that at once, type in some really cool text that's going to be interesting, such as, looking for a brand new home in New Braunfels, Texas? Check out this link for the latest listings to hit the market. And you're good to go. Click post, and the leads should start coming in. You'll probably want to take this. You can either boost it if you want to, or share it to a bunch of other groups where you're going to get some free traffic. And that's it, guys. I hope this will make it easier for you to get more leads. If you have any questions, feel free, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you. Hey, would you do me a huge favor? If you're enjoying the content, go ahead, smash that like button, then subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell. That way you know anytime I put out new content.